we are discussing problems. Problem is what? Integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x to the power n dx. Okay, this we have to solve, and we know that in equal to, we know the formula in equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin x to the power n dx. So this one we can add what? In equal to what will come here? N minus 1 divided by n I of n minus 2. This relation we know. Okay, so instead of using direct formula, just I am explaining how to solve by using this one. Okay, so here this one n value we can take 10. So this is what? I10. Okay, so what is I10? I10 what will come? 10 minus 1 is what? 9 divided by 10. This will come what? I of 10 minus 2 is what? 8. I8 will come. Then what is I8? If I put here 8, then what will come? 8 minus 1 is what? 7 divided by 8. 7 divided by 8. Then I of 6 will come. Then what is I of 6? If I put here 6 here, so what will come? 5 divided by 6. I of 4 will come. And what is I of 4? I of 4. So 4 minus 1 is what? 3 divided by 4. I of 2 will come. And what is I of 2? I of 2 is what? 2 minus 1 is what? 1 divided by 2. I of 0. And what is I of 0? That we know. I of 0 is what? Pi by 2. So what will come here? I10 9 by 10 into I8. I8 is what? 7 by 8 into I by 6. So this will come out 7 by 8 into I by 6. I by 6 value we got this one. So I, instead of I by 6, what we will put? 5 by 6 into I4. So into 5 by 6 I4. I4 value we can put this one. So into 3 by 4 I2. And I2 value we can put 1 by 2 I0. So into 1 by 2. And I0 value will got pi by 2. So into pi by 2. So what will come here? I10 equal to what? 9 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 1 divided by 10 into 8 into 6 into 4 into 2 into pi by 2. This will come. This is your answer. Okay. Similarly, we are discussing next problem. Okay. So this one we can take what? See, if I take sin x here or if I take cos x, both will be same. Okay. So same formula. If it is here cos x also there, then also this formula only we have to use. So this one we can add what? I9. So what is I9? I9 equal to what will come? If you put here 9 here. So 9 minus 1 is what? 8. 8 divided by 9. And I7 will come. What is I7? If I put here 7. So 7 minus 1 is what? 6 divided by 7. I of 7 minus 2 is what? 5. Then what is I5? So if I put here 5 minus 1 is what? 4 divided by 5. And I of 5 minus 2 is what? 3. Then I3. I3 what will come? 3 minus 1 is what? 2 divided by 3. I1 will come. And we know what is I1? I1 is 1. So what is I9? 8 by 9. I7. Instead of I7 what you can write? 6 by 7 I5. So into 6 by 5. Instead of I5 what you can write? 4 by 5. Sorry, this is 6 by 7. Instead of I5 what you can write? 4 by 5 I3. So into 4 by 5 I3. Instead of I3 what you can write? 2 by 3 I1 into 2 by 3 I1. I1 value is what? 1. So this will come into 1. So this one what will come? I7 equal to I9 equal to 8 by 9. Yeah, 8 into 6 into 4 into 2 divided by 9 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 1. This will come. In this problem we can use direct formula also. What is direct formula? In equal to, we know in is what? Integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x to the power n dx. Instead of sin x we can write cos x also. Okay, we can write like that as well. 0 to pi by 2 cos x to the power n dx. Okay, so instead of sin x if I write cos x, then also we will get same answer. So what is the solution here? In equal to what will come? In value what will come? See, numerator will come what? Starting from n minus 1. Now from n minus 1 you have to decrease 2. So what will come here? N minus 3, then n minus 5, until we can go till either 1 or 2. 1 will come if n is what? Even. Okay, 1 will come if n belongs to even, and 2 will come if n belongs to odd. Divide by denominator, what will come? N into n minus 2 into n minus 4 until dot dot dot. Either it will come 2 or it will come 3. 2 will come if n belongs to even. 3 will come if n belongs to odd. Into k. What is k value? Okay, k will come what? Pi by 2 if n belongs to even, 1 if n belongs to odd. This will come. Okay, so this formula will come. Now this formula we have to apply in these two problems. Okay, then how to solve? Okay, formula is different and how to write answer, that is different. Okay, so we want to find out I10. Okay, I10. So I10 we are writing. So according to this one, you can see here, if I put here n value 10 here, so here will come what 9 and here will come what 10. Okay, so even number is coming in denominator. So first you write denominator terms. Okay, so starting from where? Starting from where is what? In is what? N is what? 10. So here will come 10. Then we have to decrease 2. So 10 into 8 into 6 into 4 into 2. Till 2 we have to go. Correct? So how many terms are coming in denominator? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 terms is coming in denominator. So in numerator also we will write 5 terms. Okay, but numerator it will start from where? If I put n is 10, so here will come what? 9. Okay, so starting from 9 we have to decrease what? 2. Okay, from 9 you have to decrease 2, so what becomes 7. And how many terms we have to write? Only 5 terms. So 9, then 7, then 5, then 3, then 1. So you can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So numerator also 5 terms and denominator also 5 terms. First we are writing denominator because it is starting from even. Okay, so we have to start from even. So even number is coming in denominator, so we are writing first denominator. Okay, so 10, 8, 6, 4, 2 into n is what? 10. So even number is there, so what will come here? Pi by 2. That's your answer. Okay, now I9. Okay, I9 what will come? So I9 if you put here, so 9 minus 8, 9 minus 1 is what? 8. So numerator is coming what? Even number. It is starting from 8. So numerator is coming even number. So first we have to write numerator here. So what will we write? 8 into 6 into 4 into 2. Till 2 we have to write. If I write next term is 0, so everything will be 0. So till 2 only we have to go. So how many terms is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then denominator also how many terms will come? 4 terms will come. Okay. First term what will come? If I put here n equal to 9, so here what will come? 9. So first term will come 9. Next term is what? 7. Then 5. Then 3. So what will come? 9 into 7 into 5 into 3. N is what? Odd. So here will come into 1. That's your answer.